What if I told you there's a simple option strategy that turned my $20,000 account into what you see today, and in just 4 years, while taking less risk than just buying and holding stocks? And the best part, it's boring, repeatable, and follows Warren Buffett's #1 rule: don't lose money. I'm talking about why I almost always sell at the money covered calls instead of out of the money like most people do. Stick around, I'll show you exactly why this gives me massive premium, huge downside cushion, and still insane compounded returns. Now before I dive in, go hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, I trade options for income, mostly covered calls and cash secured puts on stocks I actually like owning long term. Over the last 4 years, this one tweak, selling at the money instead of out of the money, has been the biggest edge in my portfolio. Today, I'm breaking it all down: the why, the math, my real results, and why it might be perfect if you're tired of stocks just sitting flat or getting wrecked in down markets. Back in 2022, my account was relatively small, around $20,000, and it was everything I had saved up through high school and parts of college, and I just wanted to make my money work for me. But I was getting crushed. I'd buy good stocks, sell out of the money covered calls for tiny premiums, and then the stock would drift sideways or drop 10%. And I was watching my life savings just slowly drain. But this got me thinking, and I realized something huge. The only thing guaranteed when you sell an option is the premium you collect up front. Everything else, stock going up big, not dropping, is hope. I wasn't foolish. I knew I wasn't the greatest stock picker in the world or the next Warren Buffett. So what if I just collected as much premium as possible? Essentially rent out my stocks. So I dove in. I used Option Strat to analyze all the different possibilities, and this is exactly what I came up with. So I've opened up Option Strat, and I'm going to use SoFi stock as an example. I buy 100 shares at the current price, and I want to see what it looks like if I sell right at the money about 3 to 4 weeks out. Now, I like to look at 3 things when analyzing positions: potential, premium, and break even. Once I simplified it, it made everything so much clearer in my mind. Collect close to 8% premium monthly. Even if the stock stays flat, you win big. Stock drops 4%, your premium cushion means you're still break even or ahead. And if the stock does run up, well, sweet, I just made almost the average yearly return of the S&P 500 in a single month. Can't be mad about that. Now I go find the next opportunity and do it again. I happily leave some upside on the table. I'm not the world's best stock picker. I don't need 50% pops. I want consistent wins and sleep at night. Do the math. Even if we're modest and say 5% compounded monthly, your money almost doubles every year. Over 4 years, it's explosive. That's exactly what happened. No crazy home runs, just steady premium harvesting. I started with $20,000 in early 22, followed this religiously, selling at the money calls on quality stocks that I wanted to own, and grew my account to over $211,000, all from collecting premium on stocks I love. Compare this to buy and hold. You get 100% upside, but 100% downside pain. One bad year wipes years of gains. My way? Premium hits my account day one. Downside buffer is massive. Buffett said don't lose money. This makes it really hard to. Yet the upside is still way more than most realize with compounding. It's not get rich quick, it's get rich probably. Disciplined, lower stress, better sleep. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and go watch another video of mine YouTube thinks you'll like. If you're not already, follow me on Twitter for live updates, and I'll see you in the next one.